reasoning and arguments is known as logic. It addresses the fundamentals of sound inference and reasoning. Logic seeks to provide a methodical knowledge of what characteristic an argument as sound or unsound, valid or invalid, and good or poor.
Next, logic offers a framework for assessing and formulating argument as well as differentiating between sound and flawed reasoning.
Six things that we learn from the book is: firstly, definition of logic. Logic is defined as the study of methods and principles used to distinguish correct from incorrect reasoning. Second, propositions and arguments. Propositions can be accepted or denied, being either true or false. Arguments, clusters of propositions, consist of premises supporting a conclusion. Third, recognition difficulties. Difficulties in recognizing arguments arise from the variety of ways propositions can be expressed, including antonyms, where some statements are unstated.
Next, argument versus explanations. The distinction between arguments and explanations, emphasizing how context and intent play a role in determining this difference. Fifth, deductive versus inductive arguments. Deductive arguments offer certain conclusions if premises are true and reasoning is valid. Inductive arguments aim to establish probable conclusions about matters of fact. Lastly, language use and definitions. The chapter explores language uses such as informative, expressive, and directive, along with the importance of neutral language in logical discourse. Additionally, it delves into different types of definitions, including stipulative, lexical, precising, theoretical, and persuasive definition.
Next, after reviewing this book, we believe that it provides comprehensive guideline on important aspects in the field of logic. Understanding basic logic concepts can be beneficial in various disciplines and in making daily decisions. Secondly, we can learn better analytical skill and understand technique for analyzing argument and conclusion wisely. The third benefit is that visual representation for clarification can assist in easily understanding and analyzing. Furthermore, we recognize application to real-life changes to equip individuals in facing various obstacles ahead.
Next, the benefits of understanding the uses of language and definitions. First, we can provide clarity in communication. And second, aiding in expressing thought precisely. Third, avoid misunderstanding and dispute. And last, helps in structuring information correctly and ensuring accuracy in conveying intended meanings.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So inshallah today I will be concluding the presentation. So first of all, we learned that logic is defined as the study of methods and principles, which means that when we learn logic, we automatically learn the methods and principles. So when we learn these methods and principles, we will then use it to differentiate between the right and the wrong reasoning. Second of all, the logical analysis presented underscores the importance of rigorous reasoning and valid arguments. So, through careful examinations of the application of logical principles, it becomes evident that the validity of the arguments presented contributes to a more healthy and strong understanding of the topic. So overall, when we reflect on the logical framework, it becomes clear that reasoning or logic serves as a cornerstone for informed decision making. So this reaffirms the enduring relevance and applicability of logic as a fundamental tool, as a very important tool for critical thinking and problem solving.